Creating a new trek route. You can create your trek route by drawing it directly onto the map, uploading a coordinates file, or by copying it from a trek that already exists in Wishtrip. In this video, we will explain how to draw your route on the map or upload a coordinates file. If you want to copy an existing Wishtrip trek route, click on Find in Wishtrip, then open the Genie there for further explanation. If you have a coordinates file for your trek, such as a GPX or KMZ file, simply click on Upload and locate the file in your drive. Click on Open, and the system will do the rest automatically. Once the trek appears on the map, you can tweak it as needed. If you want to draw your route from scratch, start by locating the area of your trek on the map. The search bar can help you hone in on the right spot. Zoom in to see more detail. Now, simply left-click on the map where you want to start your route. Continue to click to mark out your route. Tip: don't worry too much about being precise now. Once you finish the route, you'll be able to refine it and make it more accurate. When you reach the end, double-click to close. Now you can zoom in and edit it for more precision. You can move any point to where you want it by left-clicking and holding as you drag. You can create extra points between two existing ones by left-clicking on one and then the next. A new draggable point will automatically appear between them. You can see the length of your route in the Create Trek box. And if you decide you want to delete your route and start again, you can do so here too. Just know that any stations you already added will be deleted too. Once you're happy with your route, select the trek type and route type in the settings box. Then click Next to save it.